The National Water Commission, NWC, says it has lost about $3 billion in revenues since Hurricane Melissa and another $3.7 billion in operational costs. With many of its high-paying customers in Western Jamaica still without water and have temporarily closed their doors, the company faces a serious threat. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Between revenue loss and capital expenditure, Hurricane Melissa has significantly hampered the operations of the National Water Commission, NWC.
We have incurred a drop in our revenue in just about $3 billion.
Again, this is since from October 28th to the present.
That's correct.
So it would be about $1 billion a month.
Yes, on average.
In addition to the revenue loss, do you have any estimate of the capital damage that was done and the cost to rehabilitate that?
Yes, Chair. The preliminary estimate that was done is just about $3.7 billion, and it is growing because just recently we had a system put back in operation, 100,000 gallon tank. Water was replenished in the tank. Just to find out that the tank is leaking, it suffered damage.
Acting Vice President of Operations at the NWC, Herman Fagan, says there was an insurance payout following Hurricane Melissa. However, he wasn't able to provide the full details.
I was advised by my CFO that we would have gotten some drawdown from an insurance perspective. You
have any sense of what that might be? Just ballpark. I'm not asking a precise number. Is it
I think
10 million, 100 million, a billion?
Somewhere in the region of 2.5 million US.
TVJ News reached out to the NWC to verify the figure, but we did not receive a response up to news time. The National Water Commission says it has submitted documents for additional funding to the Ministry of Finance to assist with the fallout that will impact its day-to-day operation. A large percentage of its customers are the hotels that are still without water, some of which have temporarily closed their doors.
The hotel sector would have been significantly impacted, and they are one of our primary customers. So that in itself would have a significant impact. In addition to the works that we have to be doing, the security is an issue. The cost per generator and fuel maintenance, and there's a security component to that. That is very significant, and a number of buildings that we have to continue rehabilitation.
4 months after Hurricane Melissa, the NWC says 96% of its sites are operational. The customers in Western Jamaica are most affected. An agreement with the JPS, however, that supplies power to the NWC plants could see more communities having piped water by February 28.
25 sites don't have power. JPS would have committed to us that 13 from those 25 sites will have power restored by the end of this month. From the remaining 12, 6 already have generators in place, and we have moved now to have generators installed on the 6 other locations. I think 2 in particular is a little bit problematic. Malvern 1 and Malvern number 2, based on the terrain.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.